I can't find my tripod right now, or at least think I'm using it. But we got a package today from this is the Filty I think Fingerboards. He's a little homie. I'm actually pretty stoked about this board because I pretty much found his account googling and looking out like days. I'm telling you, whole weeks for like all kinds of like fingerboards to buy, like completes and shit, like all kinds like. And his is someone that I found. He doesn't do completes, but anyways, little homie, he's a young cat. Like his boards look so sick. Kind of look unbelievable as far as online. They just look real nice. As far as this board is also a custom. He was on his live on Instagram. Dope. Yeah, that's the homie. This is him. Quality fingerboards made in Utah. All decks come with free phone. Yeah. All right. Well, he's from Utah, dude. Yeah, this board's sick. Check this out. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yo, that's actually really cool. Cotton candy is what it was called, I believe. Well, like I was saying, this board is pretty rare. I mean, I guess I could have sanded a little more, but yeah, I guess I could sand it too. Got some sandpaper right here. Check that out. Other than that, like that, I mean, sheesh, this board looks pretty decent. Little on the edges, kind of. Could be a little more precise, but that's kind of dope. It kind of looks real. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna set. I actually don't even have any trucks for this, so I'm probably gonna have to wait to finish this video until I find some. Oops, my fingernails are gross. I'm gonna have to wait to find some trucks and some wheels for this. I'll probably put some badass like black. I'm probably gonna set this one up nice, because I feel like it's gonna ride nice. Like I said, it's a custom. Yeah, see that? Nice. It's a custom 30mm. Anyways, nice, man. How I love them 30mm. So that's clean. Appreciate that, man. Filthy kids. Yeah, go check them out on Instagram at. Yeah, well, I guess if you just type in Filty Fingerboards, honestly, Filty, Filty. Yeah, and then quality, yeah, man. I mean, you'll find them on anywhere. So, like I said, I fucking found them on Google, man, and Etsy led me to them, and I'm like, yo, this is tight. But I pretty much wasn't able to find them online on my computer. It was taking me forever, but I finally found it anyways. Yeah, I forgot to add that homie wrote me this letter thanking me for his order, the homie. This was a $18 board. His boards are usually less, just because it was a split ply and all that, and custom it was a little more. And I think for shipping too faster, but as I'm looking at it, that split is dope how it's like that at the bottom and on the top. I think I got some trucks right here. Oh shoot, I had some trucks. I might just take some trucks off of one of these and ride it. Even this board, crap board. This is crap. But anyways, yeah. See, like compared to like look at that horrible board underneath it. I mean, yeah, I guess it looks nice underneath, but I feel like this one would ride better. The concave feels good. Anyways, worth it for that much, yes.